Okay guys, we're back on Toyota Camry. This car have a terrible problem and it leaks refrigerant mysteriously. So today we decided to set up a panel to be the judge, the jury and the executioner. So here our target, listen up, our target is to get around this geographical location here, because that is where the special guy is living, and we're gonna neutralize every enemy that is within that area to make sure that we protect the asset and we get it out simply. Now these are the processes that are involved, guys. This is not a job for a faint heart, I want to remind you. So but it's a whole lot, and it's actually simple so long as you know how to loose and tight. You know, you have to get your way around all this whole place. Okay, so you can see the dashboard is coming off already. Trust me when I say Toyota could be one of the most easiest one to get across, because there are some that's gonna be really a pain in the butt. So we have airbag wiring harness here. You're gonna disconnect it very carefully to avoid any issue, any consequences. I hope that is very understood and clear. Thank you. I see you later.